Hi guys, I am Arindam. Welcome to Text Diary. Today I will show how to download and install Wamp server. So let's start. First I open Google Chrome. You can open any browser. Then type Wamp. Then click on first link, Wamp server download. Before downloading, I am discuss about Wamp server. What is Wamp? Wamp is a web server. The full form of Wamp: W for Windows, A for Apache, M for MySQL, and P for PHP. It is used for only Windows platform, so it is platform dependent. This is the download link. So I click on download button. I already download Wamp server, so I cancel the download. After download the Wamp server, you can see a Wamp server installer file. This is the Wamp server installer file. So double click it. Then yes. Then choose language. I select English. Then OK. Then accept the agreement. Then next. Next. Install. Install is starting. Then yes. Then cross. Then yes. Cross. It takes a few time maybe. Then next. Finally install is finished. So I click finish button. Wamp server is installed in my PC. I upload the download link of Wamp server in this video description box. So please download the Wamp server via the link. Thanks for watching this video.